In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect SAP to Power BI for setting up your data source. This process is essential for leveraging the powerful data, visualization, and analytical capabilities of Power BI using data from your SAP environment. Let's dive into it step by step and make sure everything is clear and straightforward. Now, to kick things off, we'll start by opening Power BI. Once you've launched Power BI, you'll find yourself in the familiar interface where you'll conduct most of your data analysis and visualization work. This tool is packed with functionality, but what we are focusing on today is how to get data from SAP into Power BI. Once you're in, navigate over to the Home tab. This is where most of the core functionalities are housed, including the option you need to bring in external data. Look for the option that says Get Data. Clicking on Get Data opens up a dialog box full of choices. You'll see numerous data sources listed there, but to streamline our process, we're going to narrow our focus to SAP. To do that, click on the option labeled More. This is where things get interesting, as it gives you access to a wider array of data connections beyond what's on the main list. Here you can search specifically for SAP, ensuring a quicker setup as you don't need to scroll through the entire list manually. Simply type SAP into the search bar. This handy search feature helps quickly filter the available options down to those relevant to SAP connections. Once you see the list of SAP connectors, you'll need to determine the specific SAP connection you want to use. It might be SAP HANA, SAP BW, or any other SAP system you're working with. Click on the SAP connector that applies to your setup. This part is crucial because selecting the appropriate connector ensures that the data flows correctly between SAP and Power BI, aligning with your specific data source requirements. After selecting your desired SAP connector, go ahead and click Connect. This step initiates the connection process between SAP and Power BI. You may be prompted to enter your SAP credentials at this stage, so make sure you have the necessary permissions and information ready to proceed. This will enable Power BI to access the data you need for your analysis and ensure that your reports and dashboards are updated with real-time or near real-time data as per your configurations. That's it. You've just set up your data source in Power BI using SAP, and you're now ready to start creating insights from your data. Remember, the key to success with Power BI is not just importing data, but understanding what story your data tells and how you can visualize it effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find your Power BI journey rewarding and insightful.